on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Skills Gambino, and this is Gambino Reacts. So today we're gonna be checking out more Stray Kids. We got Stray Kids Thunderous music video. If you haven't checked out my reaction to Stray Kids Backdoor, I'll leave a card on the top so you can check that out. I'll leave this video in the description so you can also check that out as well. Anyway, bro, Stray Kids, bro, bro, they do not fucking miss. I'm excited for this. Anyway, we're gonna get straight into this. And most likely this is a hit because they don't miss. So let's go. What the fuck was that? Nah. Go back. Go back.
허리케인이 뒤집어진 우산 잔소리꾼의 최후라 우리 좋구나 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 집들 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적소리 이들감 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문난 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold I know you forever 해보라는 태도는 여전히 할 말을 내뱉지 소리꾼 소리꾼 Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty 바람과 함께 등장한 불 Man, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules 그래 다 들었어 소리 이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라 Why you mad, why you sad, why you tick I don't ban you, already got already 멋있는 척들이 양진 발끝 조차도 따라오지 못해 여기는 핸들 들어봐
Bro.
질투가 정말 쪽으로 지워놓고 버려 기대감 악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문난 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold but I know we'll burn forever 해보라는 태도는 여전히 할 말을 내뱉지 소리꾼
Bro. Who are they for real? Like, yo, these dudes are fucking crazy. Nah, that footwork. Nah.
날이면 날마다 오늘 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요.
Bro, first of all, we're gonna go back for a second because that footwork was nasty. No, what he said, that footwork was dirty.
Man, I'm not sorry, dirty.
No, 왔어요.
군들이 왔어요. 날이면 날마다 오늘 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요. 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해. Final warning 당장 back up, press up, set up, break up. 할 말을 내뱉지 소리꾼. Man, I'm not sorry, dirty. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
Bro, fuck all that. I'm telling you right now, bro, they had hold on, bro. Yo, these dudes are nasty, bro. Like, they fucking insane. Like, bro, They are insane. All right, first off, let me just say, yo, the beat is slap, bro. The beat is fire. Um, everything from the beat to the choreo to the outfits, like, bro, they don't miss. The thing is with Stray Kids, what I like about Stray Kids, and I just found this out, they actually produce their own shit. So that's something. Um, but other than that, man, yo, the beat was on point, 10 out of 10. Vocals, outfits, like the styling on point. What I like about the Stray Kids music videos is that every time you watch them, it's something different. It's never the same. All right. So when they did Megaverse, they was practically gods. When they did God's Menu, like, what was it? It was God's Menu, right? Yeah, yeah. They was fucking pirates, I think. And then no, God's Menu was when it was NASCAR drivers. Backdoors when they was moving art. You feel me? Like the painting and shit like that when they did the Michelangelo thing. And the other one, I forgot the other one, but the other one when they was pirates. And bro, like now they fucking Mortal Kombat artists, like they don't fucking miss, bro. They have a story for every music video that they do, and it comes together very well. Stray Kids do not miss, bro, and I'm here for it. I like Stray Kids, bro. I'm a part of the Strays. Now no, I can't say that. I gotta get inducted. Somebody who been a stray longer than I have got to induct me into the Strays. So I want to be a stray. But now, other than that, man, the video was fire. If you like my reaction, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Uh, I only post Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. So I guess I'll see you on Tuesday. And enjoy your weekend. You know. So see you guys. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, and one more thing. Well, yeah, they need to to do some more. I want to know if they did a collab. If they collab with other artists, because that would be dope too. If they have collab with other artists, please comment down below if they have. But yeah, that's it. Peace.